Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. My name is Jayla, also known as J Chanelli on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and YouTube, so that's where you can find me. I'm coming to you guys today with this quick and easy tutorial. It's kind of a faux slick bun. Basically, if you have a lot of hair or thick hair or coarse hair, you know, it's a little hard to get a slick bun. Like, it don't be sticking to your head the way you need it to. So I'm going to show you how I do mine today. So if you want to see how to achieve that, keep watching. Step 2 is to separate your hair into 2 sections. I'm using a rat tail comb to achieve my side part. I have been wearing this style for about a week now, so I already have a side part. We're just going to clean it up and make sure that it looks good. We want it to be nice and crispy. So we're basically creating one section in the front, one section in the back, and this is going to make our lives a whole lot easier. So make sure you do that. The part in the back doesn't have to be straight at all. You're not going to see it. It's just to separate your hair into 2 sections. Step number 3 is to go ahead and make our 2 slick ponytails. So the first ponytail I'm doing is the back ponytail, and all you're going to do is, you know, go ahead and brush that thing. You do need a hardboard brush, like a boar bristle brush to do this. You can't use one of them soft dimming brushes. No, you need an actual brush to do this step. So I'm going ahead and I'm putting a little bit of EcoStyler gel on my hair, just a little bit, to slick that part back. Make sure it's nice and wet. The wetter your hair is, the easier this step is.
Sometimes I even touch myself, imagining your pleasure, baby. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's up.
And I'm taking a ponytail holder and I'm securing that on the side of my head.
And just a silly crush, wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me.
Alright, so once we've created that ponytail in the back, we're going to create that ponytail in the front, and this is the most important step. We're going to make sure we're smoothing the hair this way into the ponytail. When we're securing the front ponytail, we are grabbing that back ponytail and we're just wrapping it around. So now we technically have 2 ponytails in our head condensed into 1. That's how we're gonna get that faux bun look. We really have 2 ponytails and we're pretending like it's 1. Some mousse for some extra hold. The mousse will change your ponytail game. It will change your ponytail life. Step is to decorate your hair however you want to. I'm using these blonde brown bobby pins and, you know, just sticking them in my head, staying true to the trends, and I think it was really cute. I think it came out really great. This is my new favorite hairstyle, and I don't think I can do a slick bun without putting bobby pins in my hair like this. Like, I fell in love with it. I fell in love with the way it looks.
I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more
comment, and subscribe on your way out. Bye.